Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to submit a claim to Wizz Air. You can use this process for non-urgent requests, such as flight delay compensation, cancellation-related issues, refund requests, denied boarding, additional expenses, service complaints, or other booking problems. Before starting, make sure you have your Wizz Air booking confirmation, flight information, passenger details, and any supporting documents ready. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type wizzair.com and press Enter. Make sure you are using the official Wizz Air website. Avoid submitting personal or payment information through unofficial claim websites. You can complete the process using a computer or mobile device, but using a computer may make uploading documents easier. Once the Wizz Air website opens, click the Sign In option. Enter the email address and password connected to your Wizz account. Then click Sign In. Signing in is recommended because it allows Wizz Air to connect the claim with your account and booking. It also lets you check your claim history and track its status later. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create one or continue through the Help Center where available. After signing in, open the main website menu. Find and select Help Center or Contact Us. On the Help Center page, look for a section called Claims and Refunds. Wizz Air recommends using its online claim form for non-urgent questions, compensation requests, and refund requests. Click Make a Claim to continue. Inside the Claims and Compensation section, find the Claim Submission or Submit a Claim option. Click this option to open the online claim form. Do not use the live chat for a normal claim unless you need immediate help. The online form creates a written record and allows you to provide all the necessary information and documents. You will now be asked to choose a category for your claim. This is an important step because choosing the wrong category may delay the handling of your request. Select the option that most closely matches your situation. Depending on your case, the categories may include flight delay or cancellation compensation, refund request, denied boarding, booking or payment problem, additional expenses, baggage-related issue, complaint about a service, cancellation because of illness or death. Read each option carefully before continuing. For example, if you are requesting compensation because your flight arrived late, choose the flight delay or compensation category rather than a general complaint category. Next, choose the relevant booking from your Wizz account. If the booking does not appear automatically, enter the requested booking information manually. This may include your booking confirmation code, flight number, travel date, departure airport, and destination. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your booking confirmation. Also check that the passenger's full name is correct. You will now see a section where you can describe your claim. Provide a clear and factual explanation. Start with the flight number and travel date. Then explain what happened, how it affected you, and what solution you are requesting. For example, you could write, "My flight from London to Budapest on the 10th of June was cancelled. I am requesting a refund for the unused flight and reimbursement of the reasonable expenses shown in the attached receipts." Avoid writing an extremely long or emotional message. Include important facts, such as the length of the delay, the cancellation notice you received, the amount you paid, or the expenses you are claiming. Clearly state whether you are requesting compensation, a refund, reimbursement, or another solution. The next step is to upload any documents that support your claim. Depending on the type of claim, these documents may include your booking confirmation, boarding pass, flight cancellation or delay notification, receipts for food, transport, or accommodation, payment confirmation, medical certificate, death certificate, baggage report, photographs of damaged baggage, bank information if requested. Make sure every document is clear and readable. Do not upload unrelated files. Relevant evidence can make it easier for the customer service team to understand and process your request. Keep the original copies of your receipts and documents until the case has been completed. Before submitting the form, review all the information carefully. Check the passenger name, booking code, flight details, selected category, description, and uploaded documents. Also confirm that your email address is correct, because Wizz Air may send updates or request further information by email. Correct any mistakes before moving to the final step. After reviewing everything, accept any required declarations or privacy notices. Then click Submit, Send Claim, or the equivalent button shown on your screen. Wait until you see a confirmation message. You may also receive a confirmation email containing information about your submitted claim. Save this email and any claim reference number. You may need the reference number when contacting Wizz Air about the case. How to check your Wizz Air claim status. To check the progress of your claim, sign back into your Wizz account. Open your account section and look for Your Claims. Here, you should be able to see your claim history and the current status of your request. Avoid submitting the same claim several times. Duplicate submissions may make the case more difficult to process. Wizz Air says it aims to process claim form requests within approximately 30 days, although complicated cases may take longer. Check your email regularly, including your spam or junk folder, in case Wizz Air asks for additional documents. Important note about baggage claims. If your checked baggage is delayed, lost, or damaged, report the problem at the airport as soon as possible. Go to the Baggage Claim or Lost and Found desk and request a Property Irregularity Report, often called a PIR. Keep a copy of this report. After reporting the baggage problem at the airport, you may also need to submit the written Wizz Air claim form and attach the baggage report, baggage tag, receipts, or photographs. Do not rely only on the general online form without first reporting the baggage issue at the airport. Final tips. Use the correct claim category. Provide accurate booking information. Explain your request clearly. Attach readable evidence. Keep your claim reference number. Track the request through the Your Claim section of your Wizz account. And do not share sensitive banking information through unofficial websites or social media accounts. And that is how you submit a claim to Wizz Air. I hope this tutorial helped you complete the process successfully. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.